Hey everyone! Let's improve the video quality in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here's how you can do it. Begin by opening the video you want to adjust. This is the video with lower quality that needs improvement. To enhance it, navigate to the Effects panel and search for Sharpen. There are two sharpen effects available: Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. Begin by applying the Sharpen effect to the video layer by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. Adjust the sharpen amount to 10 for optimal results. Next, apply the Unsharp Mask effect to the video layer as well and increase the amount to 100. Preview the video to see the improved quality. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.